Alright, I'm going to show you how to clean a flounder. First of all, take the flounder, flip it over, clamp the tail so it doesn't move. Start on this right here, cut across here, go this way, work right down the backbone, tip of the knife. Across there, come right into here, stay right on top of that backbone. First one down. Stay right on that backbone there. Putting a rag on top of the fish makes it easier to control the fish too. Take some of that slime off of him. I'm just going to work down this backbone. See, I'm getting down here where I can see it. Go right over top of the spine. Then right back on top of the backbone, going down at the other angle. Alright, now come right across here. Some bones right here, these fin bones, cut those out. There's your other fillet. There's your flounder. Now we're going to take the skin off. There's the fillet. There's your skin. Fillet, skin. This is all bone right here. Cut this out. Cut out your belly meat. There's your fillet. This one here is good to go. Again, I use a pocket knife on all the flaying, and I only use this knife to do the skinning. Alright, there you go. That's how you fillet a flounder. What we'll do is we'll take this, rinse this off, put it on ice, and prepare it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is DEK. Y'all have a great day. God bless.